Friends, how are you? In today's video, we will change the CSC country specific code of any Samsung mobile. I will tell you the process how to change the CSC code of any Samsung mobile. For that, you need SAMFW tool. From where you can download this tool from this website SAMFW, go to other tools and download SAMFW tool. Mine case is already downloaded and installed. If not, you can download from this website. I will provide link in the description. Second thing, you need Samsung mobile drivers. For that, you have to download Samsung Smart Switch and install it. It will automatically install the drivers for your Samsung mobile. The third thing you need is to turn on developer options and from where turn on the USB debugging. How to turn on the USB debugging? I'm telling you. You have to go to about phone and then software information. Now you can see here service provider software version. From here you can see CSC of your mobile phone. It is INS. Last CSC you cannot change the last CSC number because it is on your motherboard. So from here go tape build number. It will ask pin code, and now when you return back and check developer options are already here. So from here you have to USB debugging. See here it is already dimmed, means it's not active, we cannot turn on it. So what we have to do is go from here safety and security and privacy and auto blocker, turn off the auto blocker. It will ask you pin. Now go back developer options, and now you can see USB debugging is active. I'm going to turn on it. Let's make turn on it. So USB debugging is turned on. Now you can see here SAMFW tool, MTB Samsung mobile USB modem is here. If this is shown, it means your mobile phone is connected in right way. If this is not shown, it means there is any error, and connect again with proper USB cable. Okay, now I can show you CSC. CSC country specific codes are already shown here. You can from this website you can see country codes, CSC codes for every region. Okay, Asia, Europe, whatever you CSC, but keep in mind that CST must match your network provider. So we have to enable call recording, Samsung Pay, spam protection and caller ID. For that, INS. I recommended you use INS Indian CSC code. Okay. So what we have to do now, select Samsung here from here and go to MTP. Now you are seeing here change CSC. Change CSC. Okay. Script is running. Checking ADB connection. Script is running. So now this will ask you phone supported CSC. Either you can choose from here. We are going to here choose from INC. Again I am choosing INC or whatever CSC. Your device support these CSC codes. So choose from here whatever you want, but I will recommend you for call recording, native call recording support, you can choose INS. That's already in my case. So INS is already my CSC, but again for your safety I am choosing this and other CSC code. Okay, so now wait for the moment. Keep your device unlocked. From here keep your device unlocked. Your device after complete, your device will be restarted. Keep your device unlocked. It is showing here keep your device unlocked. When it is successful, the device will be unlocked, restarted. Okay, so keep this. So here you can see the message changing CSC to INS. Okay, rebooting. Okay, now this tool has restarted my device and I will show you on my mobile that CSC is changed and it is now working flawlessly. There is no any risk, no any data wipe, no any factory reset. This is a normal process you can carry on your Samsung device. Okay, dear friends, if you have liked my video, please keep subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much. Thank you.